I made 8 planes and compared how they fly with and without the launcher. I'm going to use this launcher. In all cases, I will be the first to launch an aircraft without a launcher. You can find instructions on how to make them on my channel. For your convenience, I'll add links to them in the description. I will show how 50 different airplanes fly, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss this video.